I used to think that thinking more when I was doing something, that to think nothing, to do nothing is wrong. But I realized my mind slowly became a monkey out of my control.
I was drowning in my thoughts. Most of the nights, I take very long to fall asleep. That's because my mind is spinning. Spinning out of my control. I often feel like my mind is running me, instead of me running my mind. And I don't like it. What about you? Do you feel that way too? Have you ever felt like you are running and you cannot stop no matter how hard you try?
I wanted my mind to stop. I just wanted peace. That's why I like nature. When I come out here, I feel very peaceful. The birds chirp without worrying about tomorrow. The water flows wherever the wind blows. The trees are just silently swaying, giving me a lot of peace. That's why I like nature. When I'm out here, it feels like nature is telling me something. It's telling me that it is enough just to be. Just to be here, just to be me. No need to relive the past. No need to rush to the future. That is just enough to be here with my breath. Just to be here. Looking at the clouds, looking at the water, hearing the birds chirp, and smelling the air. It's freedom. Freedom from overthinking. Freedom from needing answers or comparing yourself to others. And I feel peaceful. I feel refreshed. I feel that I'm in harmony with everything. The magic that nature has on me is that it makes me feel everything is good, just as it is supposed to be. Even life's imperfections seem perfect. Everything seems as it is supposed to be. And when I'm in nature, I feel that I can be here right now instead of being everywhere else but here. I don't have to put in a lot of effort to shut my mind, to quieten my mind. It just happens so naturally when I'm out in nature. Even breathing feels enough. Nature makes me feel that life isn't something to be figured out, but it's something just for you to enjoy and be here right now. And maybe peace isn't something we find or discover, but it's something that we return to. And nature makes me feel that way. What about you? What makes you feel peaceful? I'll be chilling here for a while. I hope you will find a place that you love, that you can feel relaxed and refreshed. But thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.